Hey guys, Patrick Wind here, and I want to invite you to an exclusive free webinar with me this week where I show you how I generated over 10 million euros with Facebook and Instagram ads since 2012. In this webinar, I'm going to show you the exact bid strategies, audiences and ads that I have applied to over 120 brands all over Europe and which have generated a total of over 10 million euros in return on ad spend for them so far. So, this webinar is really for 4 types of people. First, entrepreneurs who are looking for a scalable way to sell their products and services online, and then all kind of digital marketers who want to become true experts of Facebook and Instagram ads to get better results in their daily work. Then of course all of you who are e-commerce owners and who want to lower the cost per purchase and then increase the number of sales. And last but not least, all of you who are already Facebook advertisers running some conversion campaigns, for example on lead generation or mobile app installs, and who want to lower the cost per conversion and increase the volume. So what I'm going to show you in this webinar is basically my top secret, which is the full funnel strategy, which shows you that you can communicate different messages to different customers according to the current level in the customer journey. So the customer journey basically means if they are on branding, prospecting, retargeting or upsell level. And on each of these 4 layers, we want to communicate a different message, right? Moreover, in the webinar, I'm also going to show you how I automate my ad performance so that I can relax on the weekend, and how to scale this campaign performance then exponentially all over Europe, plus my number 1 trick, how to get thousands of likes, comments and shares on your ads, which will definitely help you to get much better results. So if you're now as excited as I am to participate in the webinar, click the button below this video and register right now.